painting that I did a few days ago. It really looks like seaweed to me. And I feel like it was lacking a little bit of definition of some kind. So I decided to trace it. I had a little bit of stressful day today, and honestly, I was supposed to record a video tonight, but because of my mental state today, I figured it was not a good idea, so I'll do that later if you don't mind. But enough about me. What do you like to do when you're stressing out? I've noticed that keeping your hands busy helps a lot. I'm not sure how or why, but simple tasks like coloring or kneading or just anything with your hands, sketching, maybe drawing, really helps. Maybe it helps to block your brain from overthinking everything. There's definitely a lot of liberating effect. And just putting your hands down and letting it take you. It just glides, flows without direction or plan. There is no expectation of an outcome. There is no guidelines or deadlines. Just whatever comes out becomes a thing. Isn't that incredible? Just takes away the control. You create something out of complete nothing. I know that I didn't do any role plays in a while, and some people are going to be disappointed. I can promise you that nobody critiques me more than I do. I've been really searching myself in the last month, trying to understand myself better. I always wished to have a beautiful, confident, successful woman in my life who will tell me whether what I'm doing is right or wrong. Or would give me a little bit of guidance. Just give me some kind of clarity. So I'm not just floating in space, kicking as hard as I can. And I don't have that person in my life. I have my mom, who I love, but she just not in the same state of mind and direction, unfortunately. So I'm just oftentimes really feel like I don't know what I'm doing at all. And I like to create. I know what I can do, but I want some kind of guarantees. And that's my issue. There is no guarantees, that's the thing. Oftentimes people just look so confident. There is not a care in the world for them. I keep wondering, oh my goodness, how did they do it? I'm just struggling through everything. I would love to be teaching people. I would love to help you out and tell you what's right and what's wrong. But I don't. For some reason my marker doesn't want to write anymore. So weird. So I guess these are just little philosophical thoughts that are on my mind right now. What's on your mind right now? What's some of the deeper thoughts that you have? Do you question your existence just like I do? Or it's just me? Do you have any suggestions? Or just say hello to me. I love that too. I love when you say hello, Maria. Or hello, Mom.